Hello guys, my name is Sawan Petadia. So, have you seen this kind of post before that tells good things about themselves? So today we are going to make something like that is a name fact generator using a Python. So first of all, let's create one Python file and import some libraries like a pillow for the image editing and stuffs and random for the randomized complements. So here I am taking a name as an input and gender as input as male or a female. After that we are going to add some complements basically as an array of lines that stores in a variable called lines. So while taking a gender as an input is important because if the gender is female then he she will be she, his her will be her and guy girl will be girl. Or if the gender is male then we are correct the grammar for the same. So according to the gender input, this line will be generated itself and will grammatically correct it every time. So these are some complements, around 136 complements that we are going to use for generate the image. After that we are going to make out the image. So this is the time when we are going to use a pillow library. As you can see here I am generating image with 1000 by 1000 resolution and this background with this background color. And these are the fonts that we are going to use in the image. For making our image we take a random lines from this lines array and store in the text, and here I am going to split by the next line. Here it will print the first complement and add some pixel value to print the second complement below the first complement. To prevent the repetition of a complements, every time we append the text into the history and every time we check that is text is present in the history or not. If the text is present, then we simply continue that iteration, or else we just print that complement. After that, this line is basically for the rectangle of the image, and this for the printing the name in the image. And then we simply the save the image as a name dot png, and this line is just for the showing the image. So that's all for the code. Let's run the code and see the output. So here I am entering the name as like Aman, and the gender is male. So let's enter, and as you can see the image is generated, like the name is Aman, and these are the 6 complements that we generated and put it in the image. So that's all for the name fact generator. You can find all this code into my GitHub repository. That repos link in the down description below, you can find in the description. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day to you all.